Today, I will explain a powerful strategy that helps both beginner and professional traders take full advantage of the good opportunities that arise in the market and earn very good profits. Before explaining this strategy, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you can see new videos. If you like this video, please like it. This strategy consists of two indicators that are very famous and most traders have learned to use them separately. But I have combined these two indicators and made some changes to their settings. So stay with me until the end of this video. Choose your time frame to start with. According to the backtest I took, I choose 5 minutes because it has given me good results. Then go to the indicator tab and search for SSL hybrid. Click on it and add it to your chart. As you can see, this indicator is made of different parts and gives us many lines and signals that help us identify trends. But the buy and sell signals we see here are not very reliable, so we need some modifications. Go to the indicator settings and remove all the ticks that I removed in the style tab. Now, this indicator is more organized and we can see only the blue and red lines on the chart. You can also change the colors as you wish. In this case, when the color of this indicator is red and the candles are below this line, it indicates a downtrend. And when the color changes to blue and the candles are above this line, it indicates an uptrend. Now we need to add the second indicator. Go to the indicator tab and search for Mega Trend MFT. When you find it, click on it and go to its settings. Set the time frame to 45 minutes. Choose 3 time frames higher than your trading time frame. For example, if you trade on a 1-minute time frame, change this setting to 15 minutes. And if you trade on a 1-hour time frame, change it to 4 hours. Then change the length to 8. Now we need to find the entry and exit points on the chart. The first entry signal for us is the change in the color of the megatrend indicator. As you can see here, the megatrend has changed from green to red. And on the SSL, the candles are below the average line. And they are red, so this is a good point to place a sell order. Set your stop loss on the mega trend line and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. As you can see, the trade was closed with profit. Now it's enough to look for the points on the chart where the mega trend indicator has changed color from red to green. This happened here and the candles are blue and above the SSL average line. At this point, we enter the trade. Set your stop loss on the mega trend line and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. As you can see, the trade was closed with profit. If you like this video, please watch the other videos on the channel and leave your question in the comments.